Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roblox PIN if you forgot it in 2023. So first off, go to roblox.com/home. This works for both mobile and PC users, and change this /home to support and simply press enter. We need to contact support. Okay, so your first name is optional. However, make sure you write your current email address or the email address you used to register this account with, because you need to talk to Roblox support. So here, what device are you having the problem on? Click on this drop down menu and select the device you used to play. So the device that is most commonly used for you to play, whether it be an iPhone, iPad, Android phone or PC, simply select that. Here, type of help category, this is important. Make sure you click account hacked or can't log in, the first option. Then from this other option that just popped up, click on it and select account PIN and write something along those lines I'm going to show you. I forgot my Roblox PIN, please help me reset it. If you require any further proof that this is my account, feel free to contact me. And keep checking your email, because they will most probably get in touch with you and require further information. They won't just reset your account like that, so they might ask you some questions, and if you answer the questions correctly, they should reset your account PIN. Now remember, your first name is optional, but your email address is very important. After you have written and filled this in, simply click on submit and wait for Roblox's response. Leave a like and subscribe if you managed to change your account PIN. I will see you next time. Goodbye.